Okay, I'm getting a lot of messages on Twitter and on Facebook and Instagram and on Twitch while I'm streaming. What's the difference between StreamLabs and StreamElements? Well, we're going to go through that today. Let's get started. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kyle, but I go by IamTripleG online. I'm your stream sensei. Some people have deemed me, which is cool. In today's video, we're gonna go over the differences between StreamLabs and StreamElements. We're gonna see which one is better for streamers that are just starting out and which are better for creativity. I'll give my unbiased opinion on both, and then I'll tell you guys what I use at the very end of the video. But first, I need you to go hit that sub button and like this video. Also, if you want, comment, what do you use, StreamLabs or StreamElements? Let me know. So you want to upgrade your streaming stuff. You've been streaming maybe on console or just on your computer, and you kind of want to do something else. You want overlays, you want alerts. There's two big kind of websites that help you out. One of them is StreamElements, and the other one is StreamLabs. Which one do you want to use? Let's talk about StreamLabs first. Okay, so StreamLabs OBS or SLOBs or just StreamLabs, whatever you want to call it. This is the website that you got to go to, streamlabs.com. If you want to scroll down and look at everything, go ahead. I'm just going to showcase some of the products that they have. So with joining and downloading the StreamLabs OBS, you're able to design your stream and some stream overlays and have a bunch of alert boxes. Everything that you kind of need to do to run a stream. You're able to get sponsorships, which is a little bit later down the line, and then you can set up cool merch and charity stuff. A big thing that StreamLabs has is it has I think 46 different apps that are supported by them that make your stream a little bit cooler. I'm pretty sure they have an app of a cat that can play bongos, and it can be where your display picture or your webcam would be, which is kind of cool. They also have a ton of widgets. If you guys don't know what widgets are, we'll go through that in another video, and you'll see what I'm talking about. It's most likely you're going to be your alert and your chat boxes. So it's got a bunch of cool stuff. It does have a huge support thing. So they have their own Discord. They have a contact us, and the content hub. It's basically just a bunch of, it's like a forum. So the cool thing with them is when you download it, it automatically downloads a version of OBS, which is the open broadcast system that you're going to need. It's just its own little version of it, but it's through OBS. They teamed up and partnered with them. So the cool thing is they got tons of stuff. You can save all your things to the cloud, and none of your stuff will get deleted. So they have a bunch of overlays, and what you can do is you can click one, but people might be using them, but you can definitely personalize them and change them however you want, which is kind of cool. A bunch of people use it, Cascade and Ninja. You can set up tipping and tipping alerts, which is kind of cool. And like I said earlier, the apps that are part of this is pretty cool, and that's what I mean. The Bongo Cat, it's pretty sweet. So what I did was I downloaded it just to show you guys how it is, and we're gonna just go jump into it right now. So the icon goes on the screen, click it, and then literally it made me pick an overlay pack, which I was cool with. So I have a starting scene, live, be right back, and ending scene. And then all it needs me to do is on each scene, I need to put my my webcam and then a display, and then I can see what's going on. And it even set me up with some test widgets, so like a follow one, all that jazz. And if I wanted to, I can play with it more and see how everything is going. But this is basically the easy setup. The StreamLabs app is pretty cool too. It's called Remote Control. It can help you with selective recording and also selective clipping. So if something in your stream is amazing, hit it and clip it, and then there you go. You got a Twitch clip. Let's go check out what StreamElements looks like. Okay, so this is StreamElements. It's actually a lot more simpler than StreamLabs. Their website is very compact, and so
you click on it and go to the features, it has an OBS Live, so it's integrated into your channel's chat and activity feed when you sign up, which is kind of cool. You can create your own custom commands and custom chat bots through this, and you don't need to pay to have your own night bot or something like that. It's cloud-based, just like StreamLabs. You can make your own merch, just like StreamLabs. It's pretty cool. They have their own tutorial videos. They have Discord servers. They do have their own support, but since it's a smaller company, some of their requests get a little bit shafted. It's kind of cool. They do their own thing. A lot of people do use them. Shroud, King George, Here's Heller, you know, all of them. It's really nice. They have their own taping system, your overlay management, your store, your media requests, stream reports, leaderboards, everything. It's a lot different because instead of downloading the whole OBS system, this is actually just going to be live on the internet, and you just take it as a browser source. And a cool thing too is you have literally no limits. There's no paywall. I can be as creative. It supports animated everything. So let's just connect with my Twitch. It's gonna probably pop up, and it's very simple. It's all on the side. And when you want to go to overlays, go to my overlay, or you go to theme gallery. It has the same thing that StreamLabs has, where they have a bunch of themes and a bunch of alerts and a bunch of widgets. The cool thing is though, you can make your own widget, which is really nice. That's something that StreamLabs doesn't have yet, and you can do a bunch of your own things too. Also, like with your own, you can get custom alerts, or you can make your own, which is kind of nice. And in order to like go to my overlays, click the three dots and copy the URL, and then bring that to your OBS, which you would have to download Studio, which is not a big deal. It's actually nicer because you can get a whole bunch of plugins. You can totally go to the forum and get all these plugins for your OBS studios. This unfortunately doesn't work for StreamLabs OBS. All of these are only for the OBS studio. They're not capable with StreamLabs OBS.
There is a little bit of negativeness towards StreamElements because it's a little messy and it's kind of hard to navigate through. Once you kind of can overcome that, StreamElements is very easy to use. It's actually sometimes easier than StreamLabs, even though StreamLabs takes 3 clicks and you can go live no matter what. I prefer not doing a paywall thing. Just saying, my opinion. It all depends on your computer system as well. If you have a brand new one, StreamLabs is going to be a lot easier on your stuff. If you kind of have an older model of stuff, StreamElements is going to help you run something smooth and professional. And choosing the platform that you want to use, just make sure that it's geared to you, because in my final verdict is it doesn't matter which one you choose. You're going to learn, you're going to start somewhere on something, and it's going to kind of just further your progression, and you're going to learn more about that featured one, and you're going to just push it to where you need to be. Some people pick StreamElements, and then halfway through they cut it to StreamLabs, or vice versa, where they pick StreamLabs and then they cut it to StreamElements because it's just what they want. I hope this video helped a little bit. Just remember that it really comes down to your particular needs and what you want to get out of your stream. If you choose StreamLabs or StreamElements, you're going to go where you want to go with either. Both platforms are great. Well, frick. That's the end of the video, guys. Thank you for coming by. My name is IamTripleG. Remember, I stream every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday on Twitch. The link will be in the description. If you have any questions or comments, let me know down below, and maybe join the Discord. It's also in the description. Alright guys, I'm gonna sign off here. I hope you guys have a great day, and remember, stream smarter, not harder. See ya.